Ethereum's proof of stake consensus mechanism has a problem. That's the problem of liquidity, because as you stake your ETH to a validator, your tokens are logged and they're no more liquid. This is the problem that the Berachain team started to solve with their proof of liquidity consensus mechanism. Imagine a consensus mechanism where you have two tokens. One is Bera, which is used for your gas and network security. You stake Bera to secure the protocol. Another one is BGT, which is for governance and incentives that you get when you're securing the network, or let's say doing financial activities like providing liquidity or staking on the chain. Now with these two tokens in the consensus mechanism, imagine validators staking their Bera to secure the network, and the rewards that they would get would depend on the amount of BGT that has been delegated by the community in their validation pool. Pretty obviously, the validators would love if all the protocol users who are earning rewards and the protocols themselves could delegate their earned BGT to these validators. Which brings us to our second interesting point. The validation rewards these validators receive on Berachain does not go 100% to the validators. Most of it goes to the validators, but still some of those has to be added to the liquidity pool of any specific protocol. Now this can be influenced by the validator protocol partnerships, or maybe even having bribe in the game where validators adding liquidity to a specific protocol will get a specific portion of their revenues, etc. So till now we have two things. Validators earn more validation rewards when more people delegate BGT with them. When they have more of this delegation, they get a lot more validation rewards. When they get validation rewards, they put some of the validation rewards earned into another protocol. And now you can probably guess the third step as well. The more validators, let's say, add liquidity to a specific protocol, the higher rewards the protocol users get, which are in BGT as well. And where do they put all this earned BGT again, you ask? To the same validator, which is completing the circle here. And as you can see, this brings an innovative approach to solve the liquidity problem on the chain while you are securing the chain as well. Now with this innovative proof of consensus mechanism, we can definitely see why Berachain community and the Berachain could be up only. We can also see how the project evolved on their website from an NFT project which was just for fun into a cult community with DeFi users who identified major gaps in the protocol level alignment for liquidity and security, raised some funds and launched the chain. Now another thing which has been going up only has been the demand of Berachain from our community members, our developers, and that's why we are super excited to announce that we will be joining the Bera community and we would be extending our developer tools on Berachain. In fact, we already have our first level of integration, which is for the Berachain RPC nodes, which you can start using right now by using the gateway URLs from your dashboard, and we'll be extending the support to notifications pretty soon. Make sure you follow us on our Twitter and you are active in our Discord, so you definitely get alerted when we share the update. Now without any further ado, in this video I would love to show how you can get started using the Berachain RPCs by Tatum. Now, as you can see, I have a pretty simple setup here to explore the Berachain RPCs. All you would need is the Tatum API key. If you don't have one, you can get on dashboard.tatum.io. You can just scroll below here on your free mainnet API keys and paste that right here. Then I have these two simple widgets to show you the functionality to check balance of a wallet and to see outgoing transactions of a wallet. So let me just quickly paste the wallet address here. I'll press check. And you can see the wallet has 148.395346 Bera. You could do the same with the transactions output method from the RPC as well. And you can see the wallet has 7 transactions which were sent from this wallet. You can verify this on the Explorer as well, where you see the balance that we were exactly getting here. You also see the number of transactions, which is showing 8 here because it includes one transaction where this wallet received the funds as well. Now about getting started using this Berachain RPCs, you can go to our documentation, which would be docs.tatum.io reference RPC Berachain, or you can come to our docs page and just go to the API reference blockchain Berachain, and you can find the JSON RPC specifications here for all the methods that we are supporting for the Berachain RPCs. You can also go to our dashboard page for the Berachain, which should be dashboard.atom.io chain/Berachain, which is basically a sub page in the blockchains page here, or you can just come to the blockchains page and go to Berachain. Here you can find the documentation links, the official website, block explorer links, also the gateway URL or the RPC URL that you can use for the Berachain RPCs, some code samples, and also some widgets to get a sample of specific methods in TypeScript which you can test in your environment. We are super excited to hear what you would be building on top of Berachain using our Berachain RPCs and soon to be shipped Tatum notifications. Definitely say us a hi on our Discord and we'll be happy to chat and also help you during your integration of Berachain in your application. This was Shiv, product manager at Tatum. I'll see you next time.